बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Now today's topic is reflection of sound as well as echo of sound as well. All of you know what is reflection. When a wave move in a medium and strike with the boundary of another medium, it bounces back. That is known as reflection. And here when we say that when sound is inclined on the surface of the medium, bounces back into the first medium, then this we known as reflection of sound. Now here we have a wall, this be a PVC pipe, here we have another PVC pipe, a cardboard we place in between it as a normal. Now the angle between first PVC pipe and the cardboard is the angle I, and other one is known as the angle of reflection. Now we place a clock in front of the first PVC pipe, then we see the then we listen sound of that clock from the other side, maximum when angle I be equal to the angle R, or angle of incidence be equal to angle R. Now echo. Echo is reflection as well, but it is a particular type of reflection which we take place after a certain time limit, because all of you know that speed of sound is 340 meter per second, and a human being when listen a sound after 1/10 of a second, then that sound be repeated, or he listen it twice. So we have a distance of if we have a wall and we are away from it at a distance of 17 meter, because when sound move from us to the wall and then after reflection reaches to us, it will cover 34 meters, which is exactly it covers in 1/10 of a second. 1/10 of a second, and after 1/10 of a second we will listen it twice. First time when we speak or when we clap, and at the second time when after reflection. So echo is such type of reflection which be happens from an object which is at least 17 meter away from us. If distance of the obstacle is less than 17 meter, then we are unable to listen any echo. It doesn't mean that there will be no any reflection take place, but we are unable to distinguish it from the first sound. Okay, so 17 meter is the least distance which we have to listen echo from a obstacle, any wall or a hill or anything. Okay, now speed of sound. As you listen earlier, that speed of sound is 340 meter per second normally in the air, but speed of sound depends on materials, whether those are gases, liquid or solid. In case of gases, its speed we 1x, then in case of liquids its speed will be 5 times the speed of the gases, and in case of solid it will be 15 times the speed of gases. And in case of gases we have 1x speed or just one speed as compared to the other two. If 1 meter per second, then in case of liquid that will be 5 meter per second. There are some other factors: physical properties of material, which type of that material will be, what is its density, etc., what is its temperature, and third thing, what be its nature. All these are responsible for the speed of sound. If the temperature changes, then speed of sound changes as well. If nature changes, then speed of sound may change. What nature mean? Nature mean gas, liquid or solid, etc. Okay. Now speed of sound, we use the same formula as we used earlier in the previous chapter, v is equal to f lambda. So where v is the speed of sound, f is the frequency and lambda is the wavelength. Okay, now we have a numerical. Calculate the frequency of sound of wave of speed 340 meter per second and wavelength 0.5 meter. Now velocity is 340 meter per second and its wavelength will be 0.5 meter. We have to find its frequency. So we use same formula, v is equal to f lambda. So this with the data as well as formula, v is equal to f lambda. Now calculation, as we know v is equal to f lambda, so we can rearrange this equation. Okay, first of all we have to write v is equal to f lambda as we know. Now we have to find the frequency, so frequency will be is equal to v over lambda. Now value of v is given, which is 340, and value of lambda is given as well, which is 0.5 meter. So you have to calculate it yourself. Okay, now see, there are some other things here. As we say that physical properties of material, temperature, nature and its nature are responsible for the speed of sound. So see here, distilled water and sea water both have the difference in their speeds, speed of sound. In case of distilled water, as its frequency, its density is less, so speed of sound will be less as well. And in sea water, which has a lot of concentration of salts in it, have more speed. Okay. Measuring speed of sound by echo method. Now how we can measure speed of sound by echo method? In order to do this, we need some things: operators, measuring tape, a stopwatch, a valve which is away from us, which is at some particular distance, maybe 40 or 50 or more than 50 meters, and as well a good reflector of sound as well. That will be good reflector of sound, not a good absorber of sound. If that absorb the whole sound, then we are unable to listen any echo. And if that be a good reflector, then we can listen a clear echo of our sound. So what we have to do here, we use measuring tape in order to find the distance of the wall from us, which should be at least 50 meter. If we use more distance, then that is we can calculate it more accurate speed of sound. Now then we clap in front of that wall at least from the 50 meter for certain time, let us say 10 time. Then we calculate the time after which we listen that sound which covers 100 meters. As it sound move from us to the wall, then it reflect back to us, so it will cover 100 meters, twice the distance of the wall from us. Now we can calculate this B by the same formula, S is equal to Vt, but here, as you know, distance be twice, so we can write here 2s, and time be the total time which take a sound in moving from us to the wall and then after reflection to us, so that be the total time. Now S is 100 meter in case of this, and if we have more distance between wall and S, then we can use more distance, and that okay. Here V is to, we have to find the value of V, so instead of 340 meter per second, we have to write here question mark, or T from stopwatch to the, we take it from stopwatch, how much time it will take to listen echo of the sound which we generate by clapping. Okay, by substituting the value of T in that as well as the distance